Hello everyone, I'll show you how to download JDK and also download the Eclipse Enterprise Edition, which we will be using for developing web applications or writing the Java code. So my personal favorite OpenLogic website where you can download the JDKs from. So in the Google just type OpenLogic OpenJDK, and on the first link or second link maybe you should be able to get OpenLogic OpenJDK download webpage URL. Just open that URL, and once you land on this URL, you will see multiple options that you have that you need to fill in before you can download the JDK. Just select the Java version. So for our development we will be using the Java 11. Okay, and choose operating system as Windows, architecture 64-bit, and here we will be choosing the JDK because we also want to do the development and runtime, and this is only for running the application. So choose JDK. Okay, so out of the filters provided, we have so many options that we can download from. All these are Java 11. It doesn't really matter what you download for now, because there are minor changes in every versions that come in as part of the release from Java. So just go ahead and download any of this, download the MSI file for it. It's going to take a while. It is around 200 MB of file. Just save that file and run the installer, and your application Java should be installed in your system. Okay, once the application is installed, we need to make one or two settings in our application so the Java is available as part of your runtime path. Okay, so in the start menu, just go ahead and search for about PC, and here you can see advanced system settings, and in the environment variables, in the advanced tab you will see environment variables. Okay, and you need to add this Java home variable, so that you can do by clicking new Java _ home, and then you need to provide a path here. So to get the path, once the Java has been installed, you should be able to see it here. Program files, OpenJDK, hotspot. Just copy this path and add it here. So this is something that I have already added. So you are seeing an existing variable. In your case, there won't be any. So you will have to add here Java _ home. Okay, like that. So once you save this first step is done, and second step would be go into the path variable and add a percentage or Java home %/bin, so that the binary or the executables are available in the path always. Okay, once you have done these two steps, you should be able to open your command line. Okay, and you should be able to verify the Java installation by doing a java-version. So yeah, you can see here the Java 11 this has been installed. Okay, so this was the first step of today's video tutorial. Second step would be installing the Eclipse. Okay, let's close all these windows. Let's go to the Eclipse download packages, or maybe you can start with searching on the Google first. Just write Eclipse Enterprise Edition download for Windows. Okay, then you will land on the Eclipse website page. Just hit the first URL. Okay, so there has been a migration, so click here to migrate to that page. Now from multiple options, we need to look for Java IDE for enterprise Java and web developers. Okay, just go ahead and install this, download this particular zip file. Okay, this also should be a little bit bigger in size. The download should start in a moment. If not, just hit the download button. Okay, So this is also around 520 MB. Okay, once you have this installed, downloaded, just copy it from your downloads folder to location in C drive maybe. Okay, so I'll show you how I have done it. So I have put it under software, I guess. No, so I have extracted it here in the C drive directly. So after extracting the zip file, you will see all the files inside it. Okay, now that your Java is installed and Eclipse is also installed, you should be able to run the Eclipse. Okay, and keep in mind that Eclipse needs the Java to be installed correctly to run. Okay, so if your Java is not installed correctly, it is not going to run. But now that we have verified earlier that Java has been correctly installed, you can go ahead and run the Eclipse. So double click the Eclipse exe, and there you go. So it should show you an option of using a default workspace. You can hit launch. Okay, and the Eclipse IDE is going to start. So that way you have completed your Eclipse download. Okay, that's all from the tutorial, and I'm excited to get you started on the Java development course for a senior software engineer level person. Okay, so stay tuned. Thank you.